What is up, my YouTube friends? Guess where I'm at? Pennsylvania Railroad Museum. And across the street, Stroudsburg. Hold on, let me go this way. Stroudsburg across the street. Look at that beauty. This is a reminder video for questions from the truck. So if you guys have a model railroad related, it's a beautiful, model railroad related, or woodworking related question, put them in the comments below and I'll try to get you answers. And this is a little shout out for Community Roundhouse, the blooper section, and the Where's Jerry and Roy. If you have your Jerry and Roy sightings, send them in. I'll put a link below. Send your bloopers in, send some photos in, send some video in of your layout. We'd love to see them. So, Stroudsburg is still closed. There's Stroudsburg is across the street there. It's a beautiful night. It's I've just been rail fanning all day on the Norfolk Southern Reading line. Got some good videos. I'm going to put a little one at the end of this. Caught a cool car today. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Maybe I'll put it at the end of this one. But it like snuck up on us. And I wasn't shooting video at the time. I was taking photos. But anyway, hey, put them below. And I'll get you some answers. Thanks. Be well. Be blessed. See ya!
Roger. Copy that, Dennis.
Dang, did you see that? Did you see that? I missed it.